Alright guys, tech tip number 1,000,001. Alright, putting this panel back on this unit, and over time a lot of the screws get stripped, such as this. It doesn't bite into anything anymore. It's loose. So what you can do is step up the screw size to number 12s, and then once eventually those get stripped out, you can go to number 14s. This is a 1/2 inch. This is from Lowe's. Home Depot, I couldn't find any in the 1/2 inch section. And for this right here, it doesn't really matter for a longer one. We're not anywhere near coil or piping or anything. But up here, you probably want to, that's why you want the 1/2 inch ones if you're getting close to a coil or what have you. So what we're gonna do is, here's some. I got these on Amazon, a big package. All right. Yeah, nice and tight.